Bienveniti.
And how y'all doing? Welcome to the 36th Annual International Livermush Festival, sponsored by Max Livermush and coming to you from the global village of Shelby, North Carolina. I'm Ben Rice.
And I'm Megan Pope. And today we are bringing you a little taste of Italy from our kitchen to yours.
Max Livermush is a highly adaptable foodstuff. Works great with many different cuisines. It adds, I would say, texture.
Absolutely. And pairs great with any sauces. You've had it with mayo. You've had it with mustard.
You've had it with grape jelly. Tonight we're going to have it with tomato sauce because we are making lasagna. This is a very simple recipe. We've got three kinds of cheeses going. Ricotta for layers, fresh buffalo mozzarella for the top with some basil leaves, and curls of Parmesan to garnish or add to taste. We took Max Livermush and split it, dropped it, fried it, crumbled it, fried it some more, and it's gonna nestle up beside a simple tomato sauce of tomato pesto, chopped red and orange bell pepper, and the last orange grape tomatoes from Mardette's Farms. Linda told me she had plowed under those plants already. So you can't replicate this recipe exactly until next year. But they are.
That is why you shop local.
Yes. But you bake at 375 for about 30 minutes and voila,
Oh.
Here we go.
Now this is a local treat.
It
We'll
is.
hold it up a bit so that the camera can see it. Look at this
And
plate.
it pairs nicely with another local treat, Old North Shrub. This is the state grape flavor, and it is wonderful in a glass of Pellegrino. Tuck into that and tell me what you think, Megan. I'm gonna have a bite myself.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mmm.
I'm impressed with ourselves.
It is good. It is good. It is good. And we'd like to thank our dear friend and biggest supporter, Squirrel Jenkins, for lending me that Pyrex dish not so very long ago. Have a good one.
Take it easy, Shelby.